Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can install Windows 11 on unsupported PC. So for that you need to first download Windows 11, and we will just go to our browser and search for Windows 11 download. Then just click on this very first link that you will see from Windows or Microsoft. Then open it up, and after that just scroll down and here select Windows 11 ISO file, and then just click on download. And while your ISO file is being downloaded, you need to go to your desktop and click on search in your taskbar, and after that just search for registry editor over there and open it up. And I will provide this location in the description. Just copy this description and paste it in the location bar on registry editor, and you will be redirected to a location. And if you find a folder there, that is well and good. And if you don't find any folder in that particular folder, just right click and click on new, then go to dword in brackets 32-bit bracket close and value, and just click on it and a new file will be created. Just rename this file to allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU, and after that just open it up and go to the settings and change the value data to 1 and close it up. And after that just open up your ISO file that we just downloaded from this website and install the setup and run it. And after that you will be able to download Windows 11 into your unsupported PC, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.